120 decibels of crushed ice hitting spinning steel. That is the sound of a beachside summer. The Piña Colada was born in San Juan in 1954, but the version most people drink today is a neon yellow tragedy of artificial syrups and cheap well liquor. We are rescuing it. This panel is stripping the ultimate tropical cocktail down to its studs, rebuilding it with caramelized fruit, homemade coconut cream, and precision blending. Joining me at the bar are two masters of the craft, heritage mixologist Mateo and craft beverage scientist Julian. Let's start with the base.
The foundation of a perfect colada is real pineapple, not juice from a tin. Heat a cast-iron skillet on a beachside grill to 204 degrees Celsius for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take 300 grams by 10.5 ounces of fresh, peeled gold pineapple chunks. Sear them dry for exactly 3 minutes per side until the natural sugars caramelize. This Maillard reaction adds complex smoky depth. Transfer the hot pineapple to a blender and puree it for 45 seconds until smooth. Cool this puree down to 4 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit in the refrigerator for 20 minutes before building the drink.
Next, we build the coconut cream from scratch. Store-bought cans are overly processed. In a copper saucepan, combine 240 milliliters/1 cup of full-fat unsweetened coconut milk with 200 grams/7 ounces of natural cane sugar. Bring the mixture to 82 degrees Celsius/180 degrees Fahrenheit over medium heat. Whisk continuously for exactly 8 minutes until the sugar dissolves completely and the texture thickens slightly. Remove it from the heat, add a pinch of sea salt, and chill it to 4 degrees Celsius/40 degrees Fahrenheit. You now have a pristine, stabilized coconut syrup.
With our fruit and coconut prepped, we address the rum. A split base provides the best profile. Combine 60 milliliters/2 ounces of a crisp white Puerto Rican rum with 30 milliliters/1 ounce of a slightly aged dark rum. The white rum offers floral notes, while the dark brings molasses structure. Whisk them together in a mixing glass and let the blend rest at room temperature, precisely 21 degrees/70 degrees for 5 minutes. This brief resting period allows the distinct alcohol esters to marry before the shock of the ice.
Before blending, we must introduce the secret weapon: acid. Pineapple and coconut are intensely sweet and rich, which is why bad coladas taste cloying. Squeeze exactly 15 milliliters or 0.5 ounces of fresh lime juice. The lime must be cold, ideally held at 4 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the lime juice into your rested rum blend and stir gently for 1 minute. This sharp citric bite cuts through the fat of the coconut cream, perfectly balancing the cocktail's pH and elevating the roasted notes of the caramelized pineapple.
Now for the freeze. Pour your 90 milliliters/3 ounces of rum and lime, 60 milliliters/2 ounces of the chilled coconut cream, and 90 milliliters/3 ounces of the roasted pineapple puree into the blender. Add exactly 180 grams/6 ounces of crushed pebble ice. Blend on high for exactly 15 seconds. The friction from the blades is calculated to drop the entire mixture to a slushy -2 degrees Celsius/28 degrees Fahrenheit. You want a velvety texture, not a watery mess. Precision ice weight is non-negotiable.
If you lack a high-speed blender, the shaken alternative is equally spectacular. Use the exact same liquid quantities, but instead of pebble ice, add 240 grams, 8.5 ounces of large, dense ice cubes to a stainless steel cocktail shaker. Shake vigorously for exactly 12 seconds. The metal exterior of the shaker will rapidly drop to 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Strain the frothy, aerated liquid over fresh crushed ice. The shaken method yields a lighter, silkier mouthfeel compared to the dense frozen version, highlighting the rum's nuanced spice.
Plating the drink requires a frosty canvas. Pull a standard 400 milliliter or 14-ounce hurricane glass from a negative 18 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit freezer, where it should have rested for at least 30 minutes. Pour the blended or shaken cocktail into the frosted glass.
Garnish with 3 stiff, dark green pineapple fronds fanned out and the high-quality Amarena cherry. Finally, toast 2 gram or 0.1 ounce of whole nutmeg at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes, then grate it lightly over the foam. The aromatic oils hit your nose before the first sip.
That is how you elevate a beachside classic from a tourist trap to a masterpiece. 3 things to remember. First, sear your fresh pineapple at 204 degrees Celsius / 400 degrees Fahrenheit to unlock caramelized depth. Second, build your own coconut cream from scratch. Skip the canned shortcuts. Finally, always balance the rich fat with 15 milliliters / 0.5 ounces of fresh lime juice. Thank you to Mateo and Julian for showing us the science of the perfect piña colada. Go fire up the blender and enjoy your summer.